Welcome to 155 Santa Barbara Street, located in the Ocean Cliffs neighborhood of Corpus Christi's Bay Area. This ranch-style home sits on a large corner lot and features an in-ground pool and spa and a 500 square foot pool house. Let's go inside and take a look.
This beautiful home was built in 1947. It has 3 full bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. True to the mid-century modern architecture, you've got these beautiful windows across the back of the house.
Imagine yourself relaxing by the pool or entertaining outside. This property has it all.
We're TAILOR-MADE Realty Group and we'd love to show you around. We'll see you next time, friends.